Welcome, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Neo and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on our phone. In the app, let's tap on the profile icon. Here tap on AMAZFIT Neo. Then scroll down and tap on the Unpair button. Tap on Unpair button again and again to confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of devices and you will see that the time is 000 on your watch, and also it says binding. That means that the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.